Mortgage? Ah, I hate it. It just doesn't spell right. Mortgaged. Let's say $225,000. So in other words, she borrowed $225,000 from the bank to pay for her house. The bank charged 7.2% over 30 years. Okay. Find the required payment. Want to find R. So we go through the same process. P equals RN little r, parentheses 1 minus parentheses 1 plus R over N raised to the negative NT. Have you memorized it yet? Write down a few more times and you'll be like dreaming about it. The principal here is $225,000. Required payment 12. What's the interest rate? 0.072. 1 minus parentheses 1 plus R over not R. 0.072 over 12 raised to the negative 360. Okay. So R is equal to something. Your job is to find it out on your calculator. Clear. Clear. So 12 divided by, let's do it the shorthand way. So your required payment should be in the ballpark of, now mine's a precise answer, so if you have 29 or 28, it's just because you rounded your answer just a little bit too much. I highly suggest you keep about 4 decimals if you want a perfect answer. Or keep the entire number in your calculator, but I'm not going to teach you how to do that. It takes too long. Well, it doesn't take too long, but it's not worth it.
So we had that on the...
Oh, if you're 28, 29, I'm happy. If you're within 50 cents here, I'm happy. Because this is the number that's really important. You're paying $1,500 a month for this mortgage per month. In other words, I couldn't afford it. I couldn't afford that house. All right. So now part 2. Mary wants to refinance at, let's say 4.8% for 15 years after 10 years of payments. Let me be really precise about what's going on here. Mary went to her bank. They're offering 4.8, and her brain's going, oh my gosh, 4.8 is a lot less than 7.2, so she wants to refinance it. The bank only offers that rate for a 15-year loan. So this is what she wants to change it over to. She's made 10 years of payments on the old one. So she's made $1,527 every single month for 10 years. So do you multiply this by 36 and subtract it away from 225,000? No. Heck no, because you are losing all that, well, you're not calculating in all that interest. So the first thing you need to do is, from here, you need to find the balance, just like we did over there. We need to find the balance of the loan after 10 years of payments. And then we're going to take whatever's left over and ball it together in a brand new loan to see what our monthly payments are going to be. Okay. So, how do I find after 10 years? Well, you're going to use the same formula. P equals R N R 1 minus parentheses 1 plus R over N raised to the negative NT. Do I know the principal?
No.
Heck no. I made 10 years of payments. It's totally changed. That would be the balance. R is that $1,500 and $1,527.27. every month. The interest rate at that time, not the new interest rate. We haven't even switched over our loan yet. We're just trying to find out information about our old loan. So the old interest rate is still 0.072. Do not switch it to the new interest rate. That doesn't help us at this point. And then plug in what's left. 1 minus parentheses 1 plus 0.072 divided by 12 raised to the negative 120. No. She's already made 10 years of payments. How many does that leave? 20 years of payments. So how many months are left? 240. So this would be negative 240. So what's left, not what you've paid, it's what's left. You're looking for your remaining balance. So all you have to do is type that all in, and you can find how much of a mortgage she still has left to pay off. 1,9,3,9,7,6.17. Okay, so now she needs to refinance this, and if she refinances it, that's her new balance. So we just use the formula one more time. So this would be the new loan, and we need to find that required payment. Is this a good deal? Is she going to be saving money? Yes. Can she afford it? Well, we're going to see that in a little bit. So we set it up again. I like being organized. This way you don't screw up and leave something off. Do I know the new principal?
Yes.
Yeah, it's down there. It's 193,976 and 17 cents. Do I know R? Nope.
No.
I know this. The new interest rate. 0.048. Parentheses, 1 minus, parentheses, 1 plus, 0.048 divided by 12, raised to the negative 15 years.
15 times 12.
15 times 12. This is 15 times 12. Oops. 15 times 12. So that gives us 180. Half of 360, basically. All right, and then just go through the same process to find R. This is a good deal. You should be getting a required payment of $1513.82, or somewhere abouts, per month.